po ang shopping experience dito sa Dikochi?
Shopping experience? Are you asking me? I am having fun. Nakakatuwa.
Nakakatuwa po.
Stress. But really, we are very, very happy and thankful. Thank you so much that you have allowed us to be here and shop. And thank you so much for the gifts.
You're welcome
Ang
po,
sarap
Miss
mag-shop dito.
Lani.
Lahat ng gusto nyo makita mga brands, andito po. My goodness, mga kababayans and everyone watching this, come and visit Dikochi here, high-end brands outlet. Come and shop over here. Wonderful service, especially, of course, the service coming from Filipinos. So, come over here and shop at Dikochi.
I think, kamusta naman po ang shopping experience niyo sa Dikochi?
That's very nice. Very nice. Very casual, very friendly. People here, lalo na mga Pinoy, napaka-friendly. So it's very, you want to shop here.
Would you recommend po ang Dikochi sa other shoppers?
Sure, if I could just pronounce it. How do you say it?
Dikochi Brands Factory Outlet. Dikochi.
Oh, it's not in your Dikochi.
Yes.
Chiku.
Thank you po,
Yes,
Sir
I would
Marty.
suggest you all come here. The friendliest people in all of Dubai.